In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order Costco pizza online. Tutorial. If you want pizza delivered right to your door from Costco's selection, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll move from the homepage to checkout with tips to help you choose the right item and avoid surprises. Start by opening your web browser and going to Costco's website. You can do this on a phone, tablet, or computer. The steps are the same. When the homepage loads, take a moment to get oriented. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. On some mobile screens, you might need to tap the magnifying glass icon first to reveal it. Click into the search bar and type the word pizza. Then either click the search icon or press enter on your keyboard. In a moment, you'll see all the results related to pizza. Expect a mix of styles and brands, often in multi-packs or bundles, and many are shipped frozen. Scan the product titles, images, prices, and ratings to narrow things down. Browse the results until you find a pizza that looks right for you. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its detail page. Here's where you confirm the essentials before you buy. Look for flavor options, size or pack count, and any delivery or shipping notes. Scroll through the description and specifications for baking instructions and ingredients, and check availability for your location if it's listed. Next, choose the flavor and set the quantity you want. Use the plus or minus controls, or type the number directly if that's available. Once everything looks correct, click Add to Cart. You should see a confirmation that the item was added. If you want to keep shopping, you can, but if you're ready to wrap up, proceed to checkout to complete your order. During checkout, review your cart to make sure the flavor and quantity match what you selected. Then continue to payment. Follow the prompts to enter or confirm your shipping details and your payment method, and place your order. If you're signed into your Costco account, checkout will go faster. Membership may be required for some items and prices. That's it. You searched for pizza, chose the one you wanted, added it to your cart, and proceeded to payment. Quick and easy. Enjoy your Costco pizza, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.